Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about how to check phone serial number in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to check your serial number in your Realme phone, so friends you can check it. And guys, now let's see how to check serial number in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So once you don't know how to check serial number, you can check in this video I will show you. So once open your phone setting, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone. Guys, click on about device setting, and friends, you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone, guys. So friends, you can see guys your status setting, Realme phone status setting, and tap here, and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see the second last guys. You can see your serial number in your Infinix. Oh guys, sorry, Realme phone, guys. You can check your phone serial number from here, guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to check phone serial number in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.